Friends, stop throwing away the hard rind from your cheese. I know most people do it automatically. They slice the cheese, enjoy the middle, and toss the outer edge straight into the trash without thinking twice. But what if I told you that inside that refrigerator drawer, sitting quietly next to your eggs and leftovers, is one of the most powerful muscle-preserving foods for adults over 60? Not in a supplement bottle, not in a powdered protein shake, not in some expensive anti-aging formula advertised at 2:00 in the morning. Real food. And today, I'm going to show you 3 specific cheeses that researchers now believe can help aging muscles respond like younger muscles again. Now, before somebody in the comments says, "Barbara, are you telling seniors to eat blocks of cheese every day?" Let me be very clear. I'm not talking about processed cheese slices individually wrapped in plastic. I'm not talking about cheese-filled fast food. And I'm definitely not talking about fluorescent orange nacho dip at a football game. I'm talking about traditional, minimally processed cheeses that contain specific proteins, amino acids, minerals, and bacterial compounds that interact with the aging body in ways scientists are only now beginning to fully understand. And the most shocking one on today's list? It's a cheese millions of Americans already have in their kitchen and completely underestimate. In fact, most people think of it as a topping. Something you sprinkle over spaghetti, something you buy pre-grated in a green container. But the research behind it is so remarkable that several geriatric nutrition specialists are now calling it one of the most anabolic foods for seniors ever studied. And yes, I'll reveal that one at number 1. But first, I want to ask you something personally. How old are you today? And have you noticed changes in your strength over the last few years? Maybe getting up from the couch feels harder. Maybe climbing stairs leaves your legs burning. Maybe carrying groceries suddenly feels heavier than it used to. Leave your age and your biggest concern in the comments below because I genuinely read them, and it helps me understand exactly what this community is going through together. Now, let's begin our countdown. Number 3, cottage cheese. Now, I know cottage cheese has a terrible reputation in America. For decades, it's been treated like punishment food, something people eat while dieting. Something bland sitting sadly beside canned peaches in a retirement cafeteria. But my friends, I want you to completely rethink this food because for aging muscles, cottage cheese may be one of the smartest nighttime foods you can possibly eat. Here's why. Cottage cheese is extremely rich in casein protein, and casein behaves very differently than most proteins. Instead of digesting quickly, casein breaks down slowly over several hours, creating what researchers call a sustained amino acid release. In plain English, it drip-feeds muscle-building material into your bloodstream while you sleep. And that matters enormously after age 60 because aging muscles stop responding efficiently to short bursts of protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. It means your muscles have become harder to wake up. The same amount of protein that built muscle easily at 35 barely gets your muscles' attention at 70. But slow, prolonged protein exposure, that still works beautifully. A clinical nutrition study from the Netherlands followed older adults consuming casein-rich foods before bedtime and found significantly higher overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to people who ate carbohydrate snacks or nothing at all before sleep. Your body repairs itself most aggressively overnight. Growth hormone rises, cellular repair increases, muscle rebuilding accelerates, but only if the raw materials are available, and cottage cheese quietly supplies them all night long. I remember a woman named Patricia from Ohio. She was 74 years old and terrified she was shrinking. Those were her exact words. She noticed her legs weakening, her balance changing, and her posture collapsing forward little by little each year. We didn't begin with complicated exercise. We started with nutrition. Half a cup of full-fat cottage cheese before bed every night. Within 2 months, her physical therapist documented measurable improvement in lower body strength and balance. Not because cottage cheese is magic, because her muscles finally had fuel available when they needed it most. Now here's the important part. Choose full-fat or 2% cottage cheese whenever possible. Older adults actually benefit from the fat because it slows digestion further and helps absorb fat-soluble nutrients important for muscle and hormone health. Eat about half to 1 cup roughly 30 minutes before bed. And if you really want to enhance the effect, pair it with a few tart cherries or a small splash of tart cherry juice. Tart cherries naturally contain melatonin and anti-inflammatory compounds that improve sleep quality and muscle recovery simultaneously. Now let's move to number 2, Greek feta cheese. This one surprises almost everyone, because in America, feta is treated like decoration, a little crumble on a salad, a garnish, an afterthought. But in parts of Greece where people routinely live into their 90s and beyond, authentic sheep's milk feta is eaten almost daily, and researchers studying longevity populations became fascinated by why older adults there retained strength and mobility far longer than expected. Here's what they discovered. Authentic Greek feta made from sheep's milk contains high concentrations of CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. CLA is a natural fatty acid associated with preserving lean muscle while reducing harmful fat accumulation. But that's only part of the story. Feta is also rich in highly absorbable phosphorus, a mineral most seniors never think about. And phosphorus is absolutely essential for producing ATP, the actual energy currency your muscles use to contract. Without enough phosphorus, muscles become weak, fatigued, and slow to recover. Many older adults unknowingly become deficient because absorption declines with age. That means the problem isn't always getting older. Sometimes the battery inside the muscle simply isn't charging properly anymore. I worked with a retired veteran named Thomas from Arizona, strongman his whole life. By 78, he could barely open jars without pain and weakness in his hands. He assumed it was inevitable decline. But his diet had become almost completely fat-free after decades of fear around dairy. We reintroduced authentic sheep's milk feta alongside resistance exercises and olive oil. 6 months later, his grip strength improved dramatically. His confidence improved even more. That's something people don't talk about enough. Muscle loss doesn't just steal strength. It steals independence, and independence is deeply emotional. Now, if you try feta, look specifically for authentic Greek sheep's milk feta. The label matters. Many American feta-style cheeses are made mostly from cow's milk and contain far lower CLA concentrations. Aim for about 1 to 2 ounces daily with vegetables, olive oil, or tomatoes. And speaking of powerful foods, we've arrived at number 1. The cheese most people completely overlook: aged Parmesan, Parmigiano Reggiano. My friends, what happens during the aging process of real Parmesan is honestly one of the most fascinating things in food science. As Parmesan ages over 12, 24, even 36 months, the proteins inside it begin breaking down naturally into free amino acids and tiny bioactive peptides. In other words, the cheese partially digests itself before you even eat it. Now, why is that so important after age 60? Because aging stomachs produce less acid and fewer digestive enzymes. That means many seniors are not actually absorbing protein efficiently, even when they think they are eating enough. But aged Parmesan bypasses much of that problem. The amino acids become rapidly available almost immediately after eating. And one amino acid in particular matters enormously: leucine. Leucine is basically the ignition key for muscle protein synthesis. Without enough leucine, your muscles do not receive the signal to rebuild, and Parmesan is extraordinarily rich in it. Researchers studying older adults found that highly bioavailable leucine sources stimulated muscle-building pathways far more effectively in seniors than standard protein foods alone. That's why Parmesan can be so powerful. Not because it contains more protein necessarily, because the protein becomes easier for aging bodies to actually use. And here's another remarkable detail. Authentic aged Parmesan is naturally lactose-free and contains compounds that support beneficial gut bacteria. That matters because scientists now know there is a direct connection between gut health and muscle health called the gut-muscle axis. Inflammation in the digestive system suppresses muscle-building signals throughout the body. So Parmesan may help on 2 levels at once: improving amino acid delivery and improving the gut environment those muscles depend on. I remember a woman named Eleanor from South Carolina, 2 years old. Tiny little thing. She had almost stopped eating protein entirely because meat had become difficult to chew and digest. Her strength was disappearing rapidly. We added freshly grated aged Parmesan twice daily, one serving over eggs in the morning, another over soup or vegetables at dinner. 3 months later, her physical therapist asked her what she was doing differently because her walking speed, balance, and chair rise strength had improved so noticeably. And here's the beautiful part. These changes happened in her 80s, not her 50s, not her 60s, her 80s. Because muscles never completely lose their ability to respond, they simply need louder signals. Now, one important note here. Please buy real Parmesan by the block whenever possible. Freshly grate it yourself. The shelf-stable powdered versions lose much of the delicate peptide activity after prolonged exposure to air and processing. About 1 ounce twice daily is plenty. And if you combine it with eggs in the morning, even better. The amino acids from eggs plus the leucine surge from Parmesan create an incredibly powerful muscle-building signal for aging tissue. Now I want to leave you with something deeply important. Many older adults have quietly accepted weakness as inevitable. They've been told, "This is just aging. This is normal after 70. You should expect decline." But the research simply does not support hopelessness. Yes, aging changes the strategy, but your muscles still respond. Your body still adapts. Your cells still rebuild when given the right signals consistently. I have seen people in their late 70s regain balance. I have seen 80-year-olds walk farther than they had in years. I have seen grandparents pick up grandchildren again after believing those days were over forever. Not because of miracle drugs, because biology still works. And sometimes the first step toward rebuilding strength is as simple as changing what's on your plate. So here's my challenge for you. This week, add one of these cheeses intentionally, not mindlessly, not occasionally, strategically. Before bed, with breakfast, with movement afterward, and pay attention to how your body responds over the next month. More energy, better recovery, less weakness, improved balance. Then come back and tell me in the comments, how old are you? Which cheese are you starting with first? And what changes are you hoping to see? If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone over 60 who's struggling with weakness or muscle loss, and subscribe for more science-backed health strategies designed specifically for older adults. Your body is not finished rebuilding, not even close. I'll see you in the next video.